What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. If you got the calendar in front of you, you would know it was May 10th. If not, you might not know what day it is. So, today's topic is oldest tools. I got two very old tools. I don't have a date on them, but you can just tell by looking at them. They're very old. Um, I have this insanely old Pony Jorgensen Easy Hold 2 clamp. Never seen another one like this before. I tagged Pony Jorgensen in a video or in a picture on Instagram with this clamp, and they messaged me and they're like, "Dude, that's so cool. You know, where'd you find one of those?" I actually got this at a garage sale. I went to a garage sale. I seen this. I asked them if they happened to have another one because the guy had he was bringing stuff out of the garage. I'm like, "Hey, do you have any more of these clamps?" He's like, "No." He's like, "But I got some other tools." And I was like, "Well, I'm looking for mostly woodworking stuff. I need clamps and stuff like that." And he's like, "Oh, you do woodworking?" And I was like, "Yeah." It turns out this dude's grandpa had just passed away, and that was his house that this dude was cleaning out and doing a garage sale at, and his grandfather did woodworking. I did buy some other stuff from him, some tools that are just miscellaneously around the shop. He actually gave me this old Stanley handy made level, and he said that as long as he could remember, his grandfather always had it hanging in the shop, and he's like, he's never used it. It's just always hanging there. He's like, if you want it, you can have it. It's probably not even accurate, and it's not. It's nowhere close to accurate. But I figured, you know what? This came out of another woodworker's wood shop. Maybe it'll bring me some luck. And it's actually, if you go back and watch all the old videos, it's been hanging right here since I started doing woodworking. It's always just been there on the wall, and I love it. I don't know. I'll probably never get rid of it. It was just something weird about the interaction that I was like, this is mine. It needs to be in my shop, and it's always going to be in my shop, and that's probably where it's going to stay. So as far as old tools go, I would say this. This is probably older than the Pony Jorgensen clamp, but that's what I have for the oldest tools. So I figured that was kind of a cool story for a kind of a bland topic. But I gotta go. It is almost dinner time, and the wife is calling me. So I'm gonna get to work. How about you guys do the same?